Welcome back to day 21 of our 28-day challenge for chair yoga plus seated Tai Chi, Qigong, and breathwork. Today we're going to start off with some breathwork, and we're going to stop the counting, link our breath with our motion to make it into Qigong. At the start of this week, we did balanced breathing, where we had a balanced ratio of our inhales to our exhales. I call that balanced breathing because it has a tendency to balance the nervous system. The breath is linked with the heart in the nervous system. So we inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. But what if we need to downregulate the nervous system even more? What if we need to go further into the rest and digest, into the relaxation response? First off, this is good for going to sleep. Secondly, you don't want to do this if you're doing an activity where you might fall asleep, such as when you're driving, operating heavy machinery, or you're in water. This is the extended exhale. We extend the length of time we take in the exhale. We double the ratio of our inhale. So if we inhale 1, we exhale 2, 1. If we inhale 1, 2, we exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. If we inhale 1, 2, 3, we exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, we exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can go through that exercise and find at what point you start to experience breath hunger. At what point it's too much to be enjoyable for you. And you can stop at that pace, and you can practice at that ratio. Or we can turn it into Qigong, which is my preferred method. And we do an exercise called the gathering breath. And from a seated version of the gathering breath, it looks like you're dipping your fingertips into water in front of you. Water or some other precious resource like air, filling the air, bringing it back, and letting it soak into your body as your hands float down. So that is the visualization, or let's go a step further, feelization. Let's feel our body relaxing. Let's feel like we are soaking in that precious resource. So we inhale, gather, soak from head to toe. And that feelization helps us get past that breath hunger, helps us extend the exhale in a pleasurable manner, lets us extend that exhale in an enjoyable manner that lets us practice according to our own capacity. In this case, our literal lung capacity. So you would inhale, and you would exhale, and the hands come down slower, and we get a feel for this extended exhale. And then whenever you feel your capacity is done and you need another inhale, Just go back. Inhale up and exhale down. And now let's go deeper into this Qigong exercise. If you feel safe, close your eyes so that you can relax more and go deeper into this moving meditation. So we close our eyes, we just dip our fingers in front of us, gather up, inhale, exhale, as our hands float down the front side of our body. Let's go deeper still. Inhale, up, exhale, relax the part of the body where the hands are. Just focusing on scanning for tension, releasing, softening, relaxing. Ha sound, sigh of relief. Then we go back up, breathing in and breathing out, relaxing as the hands float down. And you link your breath to your emotion, not my count, not my capacity. You listen to your body, you feel how your body feels, and you connect your motion, your upward motion, to your inhale. And then you exhale as your hands float down and you relax. And when you're ready for an inhale, you just dip your fingers and you go again, breathing in, breathing out. Inhaling up, relaxing, and exhaling on the way down. And let's do this. Let's do 10 of those. Inhale up, extending your exhale, trying to double your exhale on the way down. Let's do another one. This time, not even trying. Don't even focus. Just exhale and relax. Use the exhale to relax. The sigh of relief, the ha sound. Inhale through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Again, your tempo, your ratio, your personal Qigong practice. Continue on. Then let's continue on and do another 10. Once you're done with this 10, 20 breath cycles is a good amount of time for this one. It should bring you right about 5 minutes. They finish at different times. So I'm just going to show you what to do for that. On your last breath, your last extended exhale, just let the hands float down, top of your knees or in your lap. Simply sit. Enjoy this state shift. Continuing to breathe long, slow, deep breaths. You're done. You can blink your eyes open. Notice sights, sounds, the feeling of your feet on the floor, your sit bones in the chair. Thanks for joining me. Have a nice day.